Good morning, students. Let's cover our next topic of the lesson on page number 27. What can be done? Yesterday, we had done the healthcare and equality, that is, healthcare available to all or not. So, today, we are going to start for what can be done. There is little doubt that health situation of most people in our country is not good. It is the responsibility of the government to provide quality healthcare services to all its citizens, especially the poor and disadvantaged. However, health is as much dependent on the basic amenities and social conditions of the people as it is on healthcare services. Hence, it is important to work on both in order to improve the health situation of our people. And this can be done. Look at the following example that what can be done. The first is the Kerala experience. In 1996, the Kerala government made some major changes in the state. What they have done, let's read. 40% of entire state budget was given to panchayats. They could plan and provide for their requirements. This made it possible for a village to make sure that proper planning was done for water, food, women's development, and education. This meant that the water supply schemes were checked and working of schools and Anganwadis were ensured and specific problems of the village were taken up. Health centers were also improved. All of this helped to improve the situation. Despite these efforts, however, some problems such as shortage of medicines, insufficient hospital beds, not enough doctors remained, and this needed to be addressed. Let us look at another example and its approach of health issue. The Costa Rica approach. Costa Rica is considered to be one of the healthiest countries in the South America. The main reason for this can be found in the Costa Rica constitution several years ago, that it took a very important decision and decided not to have an army. This helped the Costa Rica government to spend the money that army would have used on health, education, and other basic needs of people. The Costa Rica government believes that a country has to be healthy for its development and plays a role of attention to the health of its people. So the government provides basic services and amenities to Costa Ricans. For example, it provides safe drinking water, nutrition, uh, nutrition, and housing. Health education is also considered very important, and knowledge about health is an essential part of education at all levels. So this was the two example. Our lesson is almost complete. You just covered the previous topic and try to understand each and every topic very carefully. Next we will do the question answer and the glossary of the lesson. Firstly, you just make it clear, complete lesson, read it again and revise it.